Good morning students, welcome to EVS class. Children, in today's class we will start chapter 12, that is the Himalayan range. Okay, the chapter name is the Himalayan range. Children, in this chapter we will discuss about the great mountain Himalayas, and we will also discuss about its divisions, and we are also going to discuss its importance. Okay, so let's start. Children, as you can see in the picture, here is the map of our country, India, and here it is located the Himalayas mountain. The Himalayas mountain located in the north or northeast part of the India. Children, the Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world, and as it lies along the northern border of India, so it covers with snow throughout the year. Now coming to its extent, their east-west extent is about 2,400 kilometers in the west to about 200 kilometers in the east. Okay. Nepalis call the Himalayas Sagram, which means the forehead of the sky. Now coming to its divisions, the Himalayas can be divided into three parallel mountain ranges. Yes, the Himalayas can be divided into three parallel mountain ranges. The first one is Himadri mountain ranges, which is also known as the Greater Himalayas. The Himadri ranges are also known as the Greater Himalayas. The second one is the Himachal, or it is also called the Middle or Lesser Himalayas. Okay. The third range is Shivalik, which is also known as the Lower Himalayas. Okay. So now let's discuss these ranges one by one. So first one is the Himadri range, which is also known as the Greater Himalayas. Okay. Children, the Himadri is the northernmost range. It is the highest range in the Himalayas with an average height of over 6,000 meters. The mountains here are always covered in snow. In some places, huge masses of ice called glaciers are found. Some of these move down the mountain slopes. When these glaciers reach warmer regions, they melt and form rivers. The Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra all start from the Himadri range only. Okay, and the river Ganga originated from the glacier Gangotri. Yes, children, the Ganga river is originated from the glacier Gangotri. Children, the Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas range. Yes, the Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas range. Its height is about 8,848 meters. Okay. Children, some of the highest mountain peaks such as mountain Kanchenjunga and mountain Annapurna are found here also. As it is very cold here throughout the year, it is very difficult for the people and animals to live in this region. Okay. Children, as we have discussed earlier that the northern part of India remains very cold throughout the year, so the people or the animals lived in this region are facing so much of difficulty in the survival of their life. Okay. Now children, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norway were the first to climb Mount Everest. Okay, in the year 1953, and the woman named as Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to reach the world highest peak, that is Mount Everest, in the year 1984 on the date 23rd of May, right? Now the second range of Himalayas, which is also known as the Himachal range or the Lower Himalayas. Okay, the Middle Himalayas. The Middle Himalayas or Himachal are lower and are famous for beautiful valleys. Yes, children, जो Middle Himalayas हैं, that is Himachal range, is very much famous for its beautiful valleys like Kashmir, Kullu and Kangra. And here there are so many beautiful hill stations are located also, like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora are located in these regions only. Children, this range has thick forests consisting of pine, oak, deodar and fir trees also. सो जो हिमाचल रेंज है वहाँ पे बहुत ही घने जंगल पाए जाते हैं. क्या पाए जाते हैं? बहुत ही ज़्यादा घने जंगल पाए जाते हैं. वहाँ पे ट्रीज़ लाइक देवदार, oak and pine are found there. The climate is this region is suitable for cultivation. Okay. The lower slopes of these ranges have orchards and in the east we find tea plantation. So children, the lower slopes, जो हिमाचल जो रेंज है उसका जो लोअर स्लोप है दैट इज़ हैव ऑर्चर्ड्स. ऑर्चर्ड दैट मीन्स कि यहाँ पे फलों के बाग है. एंड इन द ईस्ट वी फाइंड टी प्लांटेशन ऑल्सो, और यहाँ पे टी प्लांटेशन भी होती है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रेन, that's all for today's class. In today's class we have discussed about the great mountain Himalayas and its two ranges, that is the Himadri range and the Himachal range. In the next class we will discuss about the Shivalik range and the importance of the Himalayas. So stay healthy and safe. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Thank you.